Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of December 7th through the 13th. I'm using this Merry and Bright kit from Organized Potato. I think it's so cute and has lots of like fun Christmassy sayings. It has most of the functional stuff that I'll need. The one thing it doesn't really come with is bottom washi. So I pulled a bunch of options. I have these two from Michaels, this one from AliExpress. This one is from AC Moore, another Michaels one. This one's like really glittery. I have these two really skinny ones from Amazon, and then this black sparkly one from Dollar Tree. So I kind of want to use these two, but I feel like that's too skinny. And using 3 washies on the bottom feels like a little bit extra. So I think I'm gonna do these two. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's too low. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out exactly how to place them. I think I can make these two fit though, and I think that'll look cute. So that's the plan. Oh, unless maybe I want to use this one instead. It like goes really well. Alright, maybe I'm gonna do this. And then the red glitter won't be on. Red glitter, whatever. Alright. New plan. These two is bottom washi. I'm gonna stick the Today headers along the top. These are gonna go right here. And then I'm gonna stick the To Do headers underneath them. And then stick these down at the bottom. So there's 7 of those, so that'll cover everything. So basically, and then I'll stick the hydrates across, all that stuff. So basically what I have to do is bottom washi and the Todays, and then I'm going to have to fill in everything else after we do the full boxes. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be right back. Alright, there's the first set of base, at least. So that is done. Next I'm going to put these guys down, and then I will be able to finish all the like base stuff. Let's see. This is the only one without a quote. So I'm going to stick this one on Thursday because I feel like it should kind of be centered somehow. There we go. I feel like those two go together. Those two go together. Those two go together. So I'm going to use the quote box that matches the name of the kit as my actual quote box. Seems appropriate. There we go. And I'm just gonna kind of divide these up, however. All the scripty scraps. That's like the one trick of Organized Potato kits, is that generally there's like really small spaces between all of the things. So if you are like me and you hand cut everything and you're not like perfect at stopping exactly as the box ends, you're gonna end up with like tons of scripty scraps, which we all know I'm not perfect. Lots of mistakes, but that's fine. Just means I have to deal with all these scripty scraps. So I had forgotten that this is the start of Hanukkah, so I briefly got up and pulled out my seasonal sticker book, which hopefully has a Hanukkah sticker to mark that. We'll see. Otherwise I might just like leave a placeholder box and we'll figure it out. I don't know, it'll be fine. This is like not straight. Okay, there we go. I feel like this side is ending up darker than this side. So apparently bad at dividing the boxes this week. But we all know I'm not gonna like undo them and try again. So this is what we're gonna go with. And it's gonna be fun. Okay. These scraps are like trying to kill me. So that's the last of the boxes. There we go. Loving how it's turning out. Okay, so things I'm going to stick in. Hydration boxes go here. Stick the to-dos under here. Stick the to-do list down. Then I'll come back and we can do all the fun bits. All right, that is now like the whole foundation and everything all set. It's really cute. I am happy with how it is going. So let's start with the plans. So for the sidebar, I think I'm going to use this strip because I never end up using these in these kits. I feel like I should. So I am just going to use this. I know it's really wide, but this might be the only bit that I use on the sidebar, so I think it's going to be fine. Well, that's not perfectly straight, but close enough. More scrubby straps attacking. Alright. Stick the rest of that down. Okay, so my plan is to use one green, like so, and one red, if I can manage to pick it up. So there we go. For the green one, that's going to be for Instagram, which I actually remembered to pull my stickers this week. So these are Piper Paper Company. I think I'm going to use this green. It doesn't like perfectly match, but I feel like it goes. There we go. And then I also pulled a Happy Planner book, and I'm going to use this tiny little heart on red. Again, not perfectly matching, but I think it's going to go. And this one's going to be for self-care. There we go. I actually think I have enough space for strip of this. So I'm going to stick down some more. Again, I'm going to freehand because I'm dumb. We know I'm never going to learn, so there we go. And then I'm going to use, I think this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So I'm going to use this one to track my meals for the week. There's really no like need for it, but I don't know. I enjoy tracking my dinner. And I don't really feel like putting a to-do list in here because sometimes they stress me out. So I'm just going to stick this in. And then down here at the bottom, I think there's enough space for this guy. Yep. So I'm just gonna stick a strip of that washi. And now my sidebar is done for the week. First I'm gonna stick in these guys to mark work, and I'm gonna have them not match the headers. And I'm just gonna stick Monday through Wednesday in all right now. The only other thing I have going on Monday is I want to put my plan with me up. So I think I'm going to use this guy. It's a Creative Cavern Studio little Aspen hoodie. This is for YouTube binge, but I think it's going to work for putting up my plan with me as well. So that's Monday. Tuesday, nothing exciting. Wednesday is the finale for Masked Singer. So I'm not exactly sure how to mark that because I don't really have like the right kind of TV here. I have these guys. Yeah, none of those really go. This is all like travel. Let me through this happy planner book. So that could work. Maybe this is a seasonal book. I was hoping to find something in here. When I mark, how's this red go? That red's like super bright. Maybe I can use one of these. This little heart guy? Sure. So this is a seasonal happy planner book. I'm gonna just use this little red one to mark Masked Singer finale. There might be a little space there, but I'll sort that out. Alright, Thursday. Up first is I'm gonna stick this in. This is gonna be to mark the start of Hanukkah. So in the seasonal book, when they really mean Christmas, so there's that. But there's a bunch of like snowflakes in here, so I think that's what I'm gonna use. Maybe just one. And then I need to pull in my holiday list, which hopefully has, oh, there we go. Hanukkah Begins. I feel like this is not very good placement of this snowflake. Alright, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Super cute. Lots of fun. Great for Christmas. I have like a scruffy scrap here. Alright, so all I have left is this one habit tracker, but it's because I used a couple things for this coming week, the week of the 14th. But whatever, you'll see that when we get there. So the kit came from Organized Potato. If I don't mention it, came from that kit. Spot and wash from Michaels. This one's from AC Moore, which is closed now. This is a Piper Paper Company icon. This one's from Happy Planner. These are Creative Cavern Studio. Another Happy Planner, Creative Cavern Studio. Happy Planner, Wonton in a Million at Michaels, and then another Creative Cavern Studio. And that's it. I really just used the kit this week. This kit format is actually really good for me. So it's been really nice to use because I can just kind of use minimal extras to make it happen. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Tell me what kits you're using for December and what kits you're going to be using for January through March-ish time of this upcoming year. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye!